Okay, today we will fill up this, and I'm gonna get from the remove the thread from the lower part of the thread, put it there, hold it, and here it is. Now I'm getting it. So you cannot lock it first. I'll lock it, and also I'll raise my pedal. Okay, now what am I doing wrong? Here it is. So don't allow two threads. Okay, here it is. I'm feeling it so simple, right? So when you do this work, make sure your thread doesn't just pile on one side and the other side is empty. This will cause more issue, okay guys? Okay, so I have filled the popping. Now it's ready. I'm gonna pop it out. I'm gonna make sure that approximately 5 inches or 6 inch away from the end of the thread. And then you put it in. I hope you can see it. Snap it in there. After doing that, bring that to this hole, like you can see that. Stick it in there, let it go, come all the way here. Now you're done. So hold it the correct direction now. Make sure you hold your finger between these two metals, and also keep your finger, your index finger, so that popping doesn't get out of the casing. When you're putting it, you just hold this back, but you can also face it a little upward. Not if you face it downward, mostly it's gonna fall. So make sure that doesn't happen to you. So since I'm doing right, for the purpose of learning, we're gonna remove the top casing. I'm not sure if I can show it to you. Let me see. Okay, now I think I can even show you some of what I'm about to do. Here is my popping. I will raise it from there. You can see my fingers. So it belongs somewhere there. Okay, you cannot see. You'll hear a click. That means you're successfully inserted the correct way. Okay. Okay, returning back to its own position. Let me go ahead and insert the so everyone has their own technique of inserting the needle into the thread into the needle. So my technique is simple. I don't use a lot of effort of searching that hole, although I can do it perfectly. Here is there's a better tool you can buy from the Walmart or from any store that sells sewing machine and thread needles. Okay, so I'm picking up the lower thread. I got it out. So now I'm ready to stitch